Hello parents, welcome to the platform of I Can Accomplish. My name is Shravanee Karnik and I'm the counselling psychologist by profession. In today's video, we are going to talk about one more of the very important areas of visual perception, and that is visual discrimination. Visual discrimination is the ability to recognize or identify minute details of any given visual stimuli. Now you'll wonder, how can this visual discrimination help our children, right? Well, the answer is right here. Visual discrimination enables or helps children to be able to attend to minute details. They are also able to recognize certain similarities and differences in objects, their shapes, sizes, colors, and even in the placement of objects. Now this goes without saying that once children learn to identify to such minute details, it's certainly going to help them in terms of their writing skills, their reading abilities, skills required to solve puzzles, and so on, isn't it? Now let us understand with the help of this worksheet. If you look at this one carefully, this worksheet asks us to identify similar looking shapes one after the other, right? Now if you expose your children regularly to these worksheets, they will be able to identify similarities and differences by just paying attention. The next worksheet can also be used as a tool for visual discrimination. All you have to do is ask your children to look at this worksheet carefully, and all they have to do is solve this worksheet with complete attention. But while doing so, parents, don't forget to tell your children to go line-wise from left to right. This worksheet asks us to identify the association between letters and symbols, so I'm sure your children will love this worksheet. Now, visual discrimination helps older and younger children too. In younger children, they are able to identify the similar looking letters like E or F, G and C, and so on. They are also able to identify similar looking numbers like 1 or 7, 1177 or 6 and 9. And in older children, this tool or visual discrimination helps them to pay attention to minute details, and it also improves their reading and writing skills. So just one tool and it taps so many different areas, isn't it? So I hope parents you've liked this video. So stay tuned for more updates from us, and don't forget to be consistent with your kids when you do any of these worksheets, because consistency is the key to improvements. Thank you and take care.